are recognizing healthcare heroes for National Nurses Week. Every day this week, Fox 61 is highlighting men and women working in hospitals and healthcare facilities all across our state. And today we're honoring April Moss. Unfortunately, she passed away just last month. But here with me now in the studio are two women who worked with her for many, many years. Jennifer Orfitelli and also Lisa Rioux. Thank you both so much for being with us. We do appreciate it.
Thank you.
Now, Jen, I want to start with you because you are basically the main reason that we chose April. You wrote an incredibly moving letter to us telling us all about April. And you've been in the healthcare industry for more than 2 decades. Tell us what it is about April that makes her stand out, that you felt so moved to say this is the woman should be recognized.
You know, nursing in general is more than just a job. We certainly don't do it for a paycheck. It's a calling. And April really exemplified what that calling is. And she oftentimes put others' needs before her own, and just an incredible nurse. So when I saw this come up, I thought I have to write about her, especially seeing that she's no longer here with us anymore. It's been rough to have to lose her.
Yeah. We've had some time to talk, and one of the things I keep hearing from you is that her heart was just so incredibly big. She had so much love and care to give.
Absolutely. She would be the person who would reach out to anybody if she knew they were having a bad day. She'd jump in, reached out to you if you had something going on in your own life that was rough. April was always the person that was there. She was just there.
Now, Lisa, you most recently worked with April before she passed away at the Columbus House.
Yeah, April was the YNHH Columbus House respite nurse. She took care of the homeless patients who were not sick enough to be in the hospital, but they needed some place to go to recover from their illness or their conditions. And April worked full-time at Columbus House Medical Respite, and the patients there were very close to her. She was selfless taking care of those patients, and she put her heart into doing that work, and it was a calling for her. It really was. It was her ultimate job. She told me this was her favorite place to work.
And the care, you've told me, the care that these patients get at that facility is unlike other care, and it's something that they might not be used to because they are part of the homeless population.
That's right. And April had a way of making them feel comfortable with some humor. She had a respect for them. She made them feel human. And this is a gift that April had, and that's why we felt it was so important to share her love of Columbus House and just the patient population that she served.
Sadly, unfortunately, April's not with us anymore, but I do want you to take a moment to talk about the degree that we have here on the table, Jen.
So April worked so hard at this. It was a long time coming, many, many years. She wanted her girls to go through school first and to get their degrees first, and so she kind of put it off. She was supposed to receive this this month and graduate with her bachelor's, and I know it was really special to her. And as we're coming into Nurses Week, it just seemed so much, it made it that much more, special. So we reached out to the school to make sure that we can get this for her daughters so that they also can see how hard she's worked.
Her daughters, Kayla and Sydney, we want to mention them as well.
Yes, those were her best friends. She did everything for them, and she adored them, and they adored her. It was a wonderful relationship.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for being with us and for sharing your stories of April with us so that we could share them with the rest of our viewers.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Jen, thank you so much.
Thank you.